His passion for Porsche started when he achieved his first 100 miles per hour in a 911 aged 9. After competing in many Porsche championships, Paul went on to specialize in the marque. His obsession for competing and winning and an unfailing desire to offer the best have shaped a business with a deserved reputation for unwavering quality. Autoart, his real vision. A collection of handcrafted, bespoke-built cars. Works, a workshop that can deliver your ambitions with the attention to detail that they deserve. Previously enjoyed, a carefully curated collection of cars prepared for everyday enjoyment. Paul Stevens, celebrating 25 years of passion, determination and obsession.